Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a stream in Hootsuite. To find the option to add new streams to Hootsuite, let's first go into the streams page. Click into the More option here on the bottom left and pick Streams. Now in here, all the streams that you have made will show in the dashboard. At the top, you can see the option Add Stream. Click on it, and now it will ask you to choose which social account you want the stream to originate from. I'm going to click LinkedIn. Now it's going to ask which type of stream it wants me to showcase. Either all of my scheduled posts or my updates. For now, let's choose scheduled posts. And now the stream for all my posts that I've set to scheduled will show itself here in this small section. This helps with keeping track of all the things that need your attention on your social media accounts. And that's just about what you need to know about how to add a stream in Hootsuite.